So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, here we have a parcel from mi.com which I recently ordered. So let's open it and check it out. Opening it up, you can see here is the device. So guys, in this video we are going to unbox the Mi portable wireless mouse which is recently launched in India. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see, this is the typical Mi packaging in which this mouse comes. So first of all, let's check all the seals. It is completely sealed. So let's open the seal first. Opening the seal, here you can have the first look of the mouse. Here it opens. So starting from the top, here you have the mouse in this silver finish. Also you have a paper on how to use it. Nothing more in the box. So let's talk about the mouse itself. So this is the mouse. As you can see, it comes in this silver, or we can say white color. So it has these two buttons which are very tactile, and also this roller. Let's talk about them in detail. First of all, let's remove its plastic film. So here you can see this is a matte mouse with this circular portion in gloss finish. On the back you can see there is a switch for turning it on or off. There is a switch, as you can see it turns green. So let's first turn it on and see what's inside. So here's the mouse. So to open it you have to just do it like this, and here you can see how it looks from inside. To power it up you will need an alkaline battery or AA battery, as you can see. So just put it in here. This is the USB dongle, and just turn it on. I have turned it on, so the light came on, and here it is ready to use. So let me bring my laptop and show you how it works. So here you can see, here is the wireless dongle. So I will just plug it in here, and this is the first time I am plugging it in. So as you can see, the mouse is working perfectly fine. As you can see, let me make you sure, I'm not using any of the trackpad of the laptop, but instead I'm using the Mi wireless mouse. It's quite small and feels ergonomic in hand, and it has quite nice build. So whenever you don't need to use it, just turn it on like this and it will just turn off. To turn it again on, just tap it like this and it is ready to go. So it's a quite plug and play mouse, and would like to recommend you for a price of 500 rupees. Mi India has launched it for a price of 500 rupees. It is not a Bluetooth mouse, but it is a normal wireless mouse. It also comes in a black color, so you can check that out also. I will put the link in the description below to buy this. That's all for this video. With this, I signs off.